ಎಲ್ಲ PUC2 ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಸ್ಥಿತಿಗೆ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಇಷ್ಟ ದೇವತೆಗೆ ಗುರು ಹಿರಿಯರಿಗೆ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಿ ಇಂದಿನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಭ್ಯಾಸಗಳನ್ನು ಏಕಾಗ್ರಚಿತ್ತದಿಂದ ಶಾಂತ ಮನಸ್ಸಿನಿಂದ ಮಾಡಿ ಮುಗಿಸುವ ಶಕ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಕೊಡಲು, ಕಲಿತ ವಿಷಯಗಳನ್ನು ಜ್ಞಾಪಕದಲ್ಲಿಟ್ಟುಕೊಳ್ಳುವ ಶಕ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಕೊಡಲು, ಜ್ಞಾಪಕದಲ್ಲಿರುವ ವಿಷಯಗಳನ್ನು ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಬರೆಯುವ ಬುದ್ಧಿಶಕ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಕೊಡಲು ಇಷ್ಟ ದೇವತೆಗೆ ಗುರು ಹಿರಿಯರಿಗೆ ಕುಲದೇವರಿಗೆ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಿ. Take deep breaths. Good morning, my dear students. The previous class we are learning IUPAC nomenclature of organic compounds, haloalkanes, IUPAC names of haloalkanes. Sometimes haloalkanes names can also be written by using bond line notations. Generally, I told you that if the bond line is like this, generally hydrocarbon part will be written with the bond lines here. If I write like this, can you now tell me what is the name of this compound? Bond line notation. At every corner there will be one carbon atom. You count the carbon atom number 1, 2. I have to start numbering from the carbon atom containing halogen atom, isn't it? This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. To the last carbon atom, chlorine atom is linked. Chlorine atom is linked to the last carbon atom. Then how can you name it? One chlorooctane. Chlorooctane. No space. Chlorooctane. Try to name this compound. CS3. H, CS3, Br. Here you have H, tetravalency. Here CS3. Here there is a double bond. Try to name the IUPAC name of this compound. Try this example. I'll write another example. H, double bond, CS3, H, Br, CS3. First of all, you have to take the longest chain rule. Third one, CS3, H, double bond, CS3, H, CS3, Br CS3. Try to name them. CS3, H, CS3, single bond, H, Br, CS3. H. See, first of all, you have to take the longest chain rule. Then lowest number. Lowest number should be given to alkene or a bromine. Whenever there are two or more than two functional groups, then you have to give first preference to what? Double bond. Then second preference to bromine. Okay. Now you can start numbering from which end? This end only. This is first carbon atom. This is second. This is third. Longest chain is this one. This is 4. This is 5. At every corner there will be a carbon atom. Try to name the compound now. Do you want to number from this end or this end? This end you will get 2 carbon atom to the double bond. Lowest. If you start from this end, 1, 2, 3, 3. Here it is 2. Therefore, lowest number is 2. Therefore, you can call it as root word is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Root word is pent. What is the prefix? Suffix? Pentane. Suffix is pentane only. What are the prefixes you are using? Prefix. Prefix is to the side chain, one is bromo, another one is methyl. Check it. Yes. Bromo first, alphabetically bromo comes first, next comes methyl. Therefore, it is 4 bromo, 3 methyl. You have to join it to it without space. 4 bromo, 3 methyl pentane. Try similarly those two. Yes. Start numbering. Here is a double bond to the first carbon atom only. This is 1, 2, 3. This is 2. This is a third carbon atom. So third carbon atom, there are two. One methyl group and one bromo group. Want to number from this end or this end? Because double bond, whenever double bond comes, it should get lowest number. Therefore, you have to name it as, yes, root word is prop. Suffix 1 in. To the first carbon atom there is double bond, therefore it is 1 in. Prop 1 in. Prefix 3 bromo, 3 methyl. 3 bromo, then 3 methyl, 3 bromo, 3 methyl propane. Correct. 3 bromo, 3 methyl propane. Try similarly the third one. Try third and fourth. Try this. What is the name you wrote? Check. Number of carbon atom is have to start from double bond. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. This one is 4. And this one is 5. Or is it in the side chain? Side chain. 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore, parent chain contains how many carbon atoms? 4. 4 means but. What is the suffix you are using? Ane. What are the prefixes? 4 bromo, 4 methyl. Exactly. 4 bromo, hyphen from 4 methyl. Don't leave the space. 4 bromo, 4 methyl. Don't leave the space. Butane. Try. First of all, numbering should be started from this end. 1, 2, 3, and this one is 4. End carbon atom. Is it not a continuous chain now? You would have taken it as pent also. Fourth, fifth. It will be in the side chain. Check it again. It will be in the straight chain. End carbon atom. You would have taken it as root word pent. In, because it is not in the side chain. CS3 is there. You can take it as pentane. And the prefixes are, suffix is ane, completed. What are the prefixes? 4 bromo, sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 bromo. Idu methyl agudula. This is the end carbon atom. Our longest chain is this. Therefore, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is in the side chain. This Yes, start numbering. Now, both of them are symmetric. In this case, you have to see the prefixes. Which prefix comes first? Chloro, methyl. From that end, you have to number. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. Root word is but. Suffix. Only primary suffix will be there. Therefore, you will get but 1 n. You can neglect 1. What are the prefixes? In case of symmetric, which one alphabetically comes first? You have to give the numbering, because here also you will get the same number. Here also you will get the same number. In case of symmetric molecules, such molecules are called as symmetric molecules. You start numbering from here. Therefore, you should pronounce 2-chloro, then 3-methyl butane. Try this one. This time numbering from right to left is correct or left to right is correct? Wherever concentration of, in the longest chains, concentration of alkyl and substituent groups are more, you have to number from that end. It's easy question, you can write it. 2-bromo, yes, 3-methyl, pentane, 3-methyl pentane. Try this one. Last one in the set. Then we will see some aromatic nomenclature. You are numbering from left right or right to left. See, when the concentration lowest sum rule comes here. Here on methyl group, here there is chlorine atom, bromine atom. Locants 2, 3, 4. Right? 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 4, 11. Sum is 11. If you start from right to left, it will be 2, 3, 4, 4. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. Sum is highest. Therefore, the one which gets lowest sum, you have to number from that end. Therefore, correct naming will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here, it was symmetric. Locants were 2 plus 2, 4, 2 plus 3, 5 only, any side. In that case, you have taken alphabetical order. Here, lowest sum of the locants you have to select. Longest chain is pent. Suffix is pentane. Then write the prefixes. Numbering 1, 2, 3. Yes, 4-bromo, 3-chloro. Correct. 4-bromo. 3-chloro. How to name methyl groups whenever they are repeated? When to the same carbon atom, methyl groups are repeated, you have to repeat the locant and write as 2,2-dimethyl. 2, 2, dimethyl, 2, 2, dimethyl, pentane. I hope you understood. Whenever locants to the same carbon atom, two alkyl groups are repeated to the same carbon atom, then you have to use the repeat the locant and also di, tri, mono, tri, di, you can use 2,2 dimethyl propane. So these are nomenclatures of aliphatic, means open chain compounds. Now we will see aromatic haloarenes. What are haloarenes? See. So we are learning sp3. All the carbon atoms were linked to the carbon atom containing classification you have seen. And if I take one halogen atom here and I will number them as double single. Another halogen atom here. If I write, there are some common names as well as IUPAC names. This is a benzene ring. The carbon atoms containing at least one benzene ring are called as aromatic hydrocarbons. See, observe. These are all dihalogen derivatives. Suppose I replace it here. This particular position, immediately after the main functional group, say here is Cl, here is Cl, chlorine atom. And this position, if you number it from the top, you will get here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This 1, 2 position, if it is there, very next to the main top functional group, then we are writing the common name as this particular position is called as ortho position. This position is called as meta position. This position is called as para position. Okay. Then you call it as, what is the name of it? The common name is, ortho is written as O only. Dichlorobenzene. But how do you name IUPAC name to it? In IUPAC name, start numbering like this. How do you write it as 1, 2? Instead of writing ortho position, you can write it as 1, 2. Dichloro. That's all. Dichlorobenzene. To which family this belongs to? Dihalogen derivatives. Then which family? Halogen atom is directly linked to this carbon atom. Is it not a sp2cx type of the compounds? These are aryl halides. These are called as aryl halides family. Why aryl halide? What is the difference between alkyl halide and aryl halide? The difference between alkyl halide and aryl halide. Here halogen atom is directly linked to the doubly bonded carbon atom. Then you call it as aryl halide. It is very close to this halide. Try to name this halide. Common name. Common name of this compound. Whenever halogen atom is linked directly to the carbon atom containing double bond, try to name this also. CS2 double bond, CH, CS2, Br. Try to name the compound. Common name of them and the IUPAC name of them. In classification, we studied when the halogen atom is linked to the carbon atom containing double bond, then you call it as vinyl chloride. Vinyl chloride. Have you heard of PVC? What is the long form of PVC pipes? PVC sheets are available in the market. What is PVC long form is? PVC long form is polyvinyl chloride. PVC. The monomer of the PVC is a vinyl chloride. PVC pipes, PVC sheets you are using, no? This is the monomer. This name is common name. Vinylic means to the sp2 hybridized carbon atom. If the halogen atom is directly linked, then we are using the prefix. Then we are calling it as vinylic halide. And if the halogen atom is linked to the sp3 hybridized carbon atom next to the carbon atom containing double bond, what it is called as? Last period we discussed. It is called as allylic halide. Therefore, it is called as allyl halide. Remember it, very important. Then you can write the IUPAC name of these two. So, when the halogen atom is directly linked to the doubly bonded carbon atom in the ring, benzene ring, then we call it as aryl halide. This is a aryl halide. Orthodichlorobenzene is an aryl halide. Write the name of it. It is called as iodoethane. Yes, sir. Can you name a number? Numbering is one only. How do you number here? Numbering. Here there is double bond. Here there is bromine. Be careful. The carbon atom containing double bond should get lowest number. Therefore, 1, 2, 3. Therefore, the root word is 1, 2, 3. Root word is prop. Yes. 1 in, you can violate 1. And where is bromine? 3 bromo. Number of times questions appeared. Try to distinguish between vinylic halides, allylic halides, aryl halides. You are learning. Okay. Here I will write chlorine. Here I will write methyl. Write the common name. CS3. Sorry. CS3. What is the name of this aromatic haloarenes? After learning the names of the haloalkanes, you have to learn what? Haloarenes this year in the first chapter. See here, there are different groups, right? And in the common name, this is chloro. What is the basic name? This is chlorobenzene. Because to the first carbon atom, you take it as a main chlorobenzene. And what about this? At what position it is? Ortho, meta, para. It should be commonly called as meta, small m, methyl chlorobenzene. Chlorobenzene. Common name I am giving you. Chlorobenzene is the common name of it. Write the IUPAC name of it. One chloro, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They should be named as benzene derivatives. One chloro, yes, 3 methyl benzene. Will it belong to aryl halide or benzyl halide? Aryl. Why it is aryl? The halogen atom should be directly linked to the benzene ring containing what? Double bond. If it is directly linked, you have to call it as aryl halide family. What about this one? Give IUPAC name. Need not write a common name to it. All compounds will not have common name. Yes. Yes. Meta position. Here also meta position. Meta dimethyl chlorobenzene. Meta dimethyl. Common name. Meta dimethyl chlorobenzene. Meta dimethyl chlorobenzene. If you start giving IUPAC name, start numbering from the carbon atom in which chloro comes first. Therefore, you can name it as 1, 2, 3. Whenever methyl group is present, wait. What is the name of this aromatic compound? You studied, I think, in the first year. What is the basic name of it? When methyl group is linked to the benzene nucleus. It is a hydrocarbon. You studied in the first PU. Identify. If it is there, only benzene ring is there, then you call it as benzene. If the methyl group is linked to it, can we name this aromatic hydrocarbon? You can name this aromatic hydrocarbon as toluene. Remember, isn't it? This is benzene. This one is toluene. You can name this particular compound by writing it as toluene also. Our IUPAC name will be now, I think we are naming this one, isn't it? This one. How do you, when this is toluene, what is the common name of it? If you consider it as toluene, how do you name this now? It is toluene. Then you have to start numbering from here, this here, 1, 2. IUPAC name, we will write it. IUPAC name. Its basic name will be toluene only. 2 chloro toluene. You can name basic name toluene can be written, and purely IUPAC name you can write it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In terms of benzene, you can write it as 1 chloro 2 methyl benzene. That is 1 chloro. It is also correct. 1 chloro 2 1 chloro 2 only. 1, 2, 3. Correct. If you number it as 1, 2, 3. 1 chloro 3 methyl. Yes. Already you have taken methyl here. Now you have to say it as benzene. Write the IUPAC name of this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. IUPAC name. 1 chloro dimethyl. 1 chloro, name it as 3 comma 5 hyphen dimethyl benzene. This is how they are named. Okay. So whatever compounds are written so far in them, halogen atoms are directly linked to the benzene nucleus, right? These are called as aryl halides. Now I will write another compound. Try this example. Last type in the classification, if I write here double CH2Cl. Family. Which family in the classification you studied? To which family it belongs to? If the halogen atom is linked to the carbon atom next to doubly bonded carbon atom, then it is called as, in benzene, in aromatic hydrocarbons, what it is called as? Yes? No. Aryl halide halogen atom should be directly linked. Last type of halide in the classification we studied, right? This belongs to the family called as benzylic halide. What they are called as? Benzylic halide. It also belongs to sp2C carbon atom. Sorry, sp3C, because this carbon atom is sp3 hybridized. While naming this one, they are named as derivatives of the hydrocarbon. This particular carbon atom is CS2, number from the carbon atom. And this phenyl, this group is considered as a substituent group now. And here there is chlorine in IUPAC name nomenclature. It is called as, common name is benzyl chloride is the common name of it. You can note down the common name of it. It is called as benzyl chloride. In the IUPAC system, these benzylic halides, this particular group, benzylic group, is considered as a side chain, substituent group, and it is pronounced as phenyl. How it is pronounced? Phenyl. This is chloro. This is CS2, means only one carbon atom, longest chain is 1. Then root word is meth. It is the derivative of the meth, and no preference is given for phenyl, benzyl group. And therefore you name it as a derivative of root word is only one carbon atom. What is the root word is? Meth. And carbon single bond is present, therefore it is called as methane. Root word will be, one is chloro, another one is phenyl. Which one comes first? 1 chloro, 1 phenyl. It should be named as 1 chloro, 1 phenyl methane. This is the interesting difference between benzyl halides and aryl halides. They are named as the derivatives, and you can neglect one and call it as chloro phenyl methane. You can violate one whenever you are given with one. Clear? Now you try to write this one. Okay. You can take now CH, CS2, CS3, Cl. Last example today. Number the carbon atoms. Root word. You have to take the longest chain rule again, like in case of alkyl halides. How you used to name it, you have to name the similar way. And chlorine comes first in the alphabetical order, then you take 1, 2, 3. Therefore, it should be first. Root word is prop. and no preference is given, the benzylic preference is given to the carbon chain again, like in case of alkyl halide. You should name it as, yes, prop suffix is ane. What are the prefixes? 1 chloro, because alphabetically 1 comes first, therefore it is 1 chloro 3 methyl propane. Okay, that's all today. Today I was late. Sorry, next tomorrow we'll start sharp. Okay. Meet you tomorrow with the inverse trigonometry.